Brought to you by the Asian Business Institute and Resource Center. Funding for Specialty Eats was made possible by a grant from the U.S. Department of Agriculture Agricultural Marketing Service. Its contents are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not necessarily represent the official views of the USDA.
Long green beans, also known as Chinese long beans or yard-long beans, are a type of legume. They're prized for their long, slender pods and crisp texture. Unlike traditional green beans, these beans can grow up to a yard in length. Originating from Southeast Asia, long green beans are widely used in Asian cuisines, such as stir-fries, curries, and salads. They're known for having a slightly grassy flavor that absorbs sauces and seasonings, making it a versatile ingredient in both vegetarian and meat-based dishes. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Specialty Eats. Today we have Chef Kai returning to teach us how to make another delicious dish. So Chef Kai, what are we making today?
Awesome. So today we will be making a beef curry with long green bean. So as you can see, we have beef, red bell pepper, garlic, ginger, salt, red curry paste, brown sugar, sweet onion, long green bean, zucchini, and Thai basil, and coconut milk.
So many ingredients. It looks so good.
Well, I hope it's good.
I think it will be. So what are we doing first?
So let's go ahead and get the fire going.
Perfect. Awesome. Okay. And then, do we wait for the pan to get hot
Yes,
before we
we'll
put the oil
wait
in?
for the pan to get about medium hot, medium heat,
Perfect.
and then we will put in our oil.
Okay, and then how much oil are we going to be putting in today?
We'll do about 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of oil.
First ingredient is onion.
Perfect. Do you want me to stir this?
Yes, please.
Okay. Sounds good.
So we will stir it until it gets like a caramelized color.
Like a golden brown. So Chef Kai, I noticed you're using long green beans.
Yes.
How come those are better for this dish compared to like regular green beans?
Well, long green bean is better for this kind of dish because the texture of it, and they're more known for like a slow cooking dish.
Can you clarify texture? Like it's more crunchy?
It is more crunchy, and the texture of it doesn't soften when you're cooking it.
Ah, okay. That smells really good already. I can't wait to try this.
You will eventually get to try. Next thing is red curry paste. This is about 1.5 tablespoons.
1.5 tablespoons of red curry paste.
You will add about 1 tablespoon of ginger.
Okay.
1 tablespoon of garlic. And you will keep on stirring. Make sure you break the red curry paste.
Okay, will do.
It's very important to break it up.
Is it gonna burn if it doesn't?
Yes, if you want to burn. Okay, now we add 1 cup or 1 can of coconut milk.
That looks so good.
Now we add your protein, which is beef. It is thinly sliced.
Okay. Does it have to be beef? Can we use
It can be beef or chicken. It
beef or
cannot be
chicken?
pork.
No pork. Okay. Thank you. So while this is cooking, what other dishes can you make with like long green beans as well?
Well, long green bean, you can eat it raw as a side dish, or you can use it for stir fry.
For stir fry, okay. And then how long do we let this sit for?
We will let it simmer for some time until the meat is cooked.
Okay.
And while we are at it, we will add about 2 cups of water.
2 cups of water. Okay, and then now we just cover the pot and let it sit?
We will cover the pot and let it sit
Okay. For how long?
until the meat is cooked. Okay, so a few minutes in, while simmering, you can add your zucchini. And your long green bean. All right, we will take a look at it.
Oh, that is bubbling.
Yes. So, when the zucchinis are almost cooked, you
Okay.
can go ahead and add about half a tablespoon of brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
And half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Then you can add your red bell pepper
Okay.
for color as well. So
To
you
make
want to
it
go
pretty.
red. Mhm.
Like that.
Stir it, and then we'll let it simmer for some time.
Okay, and then I just put the top back on and let it sit for a few more minutes.
Correct.
Perfect. Okay.
Also, your bell pepper, if you like it crunchy, don't let it cook for too long. And if you like it soft, cook it for some time.
Perfect. Sounds good. Can't wait to try this. And then we're letting it simmer over high heat or medium heat?
Medium heat.
Medium heat. Okay.
When you simmer, you should never use high heat.
Never use high heat.
Use high
Okay.
heat, because that's not simmering, okay? That is boiling.
Okay, sounds good. Okay. How does that look, Kai?
That looks good to go. So we can turn off the fire. Turn off the fire and add Thai basil. Thai basil always go last.
Always for last. Is there a reason why it's going in last?
Because if you put it in first, it will overcook and it will not taste good.
Ah, okay. So you want to preserve it, the
Yes.
taste and the texture of it. Okay.
And there you go. You have your beef curry with long green beans.
This looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Do you like serve this over rice or can you eat it by itself?
You can eat it by itself, or you can serve it over rice.
Okay.
Okay,
I think
so
that looks good.
let's give it a test. Or try.
Okay, let's go ahead and try this. So, I have a bowl here for you. Oh, you have a
one
bowl.
here,
Right?
right?
Perfect.
Here you go, Mindy.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Alrighty, and then bowl for you.
2 spoons.
I can take one. You can really smell it. all of the different vegetables and the herbs in here.
And there you go, Mindy. We have my beef curry with long green bean.
This looks so good, Kai. I can't wait to try it.
Awesome. I hope you enjoy
Okay.
it.
Oh, that's really good. The crunchiness of the beans are still there too, despite simmering for this long. I like it. This is definitely something to have over rice. I love it so much. Okay, well, I can't wait to finish this. Thank you, Kai, for coming back out and teaching us how to cook another delicious dish. And for everyone, thank you so much for tuning in for another episode of Specialty Eats. We'll see you next time. Happy eating.